So, ito yung iba't ibang branches ng geometry sa kanilang Native Tagalog term. So, yung spherical geometry, timbuluging sukgisan, timbuluging sukgisan. Ayan, yan pala yung malalim na Tagalog yan, spherical geometry. And then yung siksing sukgisan is solid geometry. Ito yung geometry nung grade 9 o nung third year high school ako, yun yung plane geometry na tinatawag. Yun yung solid mensuration, di ba? Yun yan. Siksing sukgisan, saka timbuluging sukgisan. Kasi nabanggit ko na kanina, yung sukgisan is geometry at saka ang sukgisan is analytic geometry. So, inaano lang natin, tinatranslate lang natin into its native term. At itong panandaing sukgisan is algebraic geometry. So, yun yung mga branches ng mathematics in their native in their Tagalog version. Okay, so yun yung mga na kailangan nating tandaan na napaka-importante naman. Kasi Pilipino ka, so kailangan alam mo yung native term. Hindi lang yung Spanish kasi ang common kasi is yung Spanish. Meron ng Spanish influence. Pero ito kasi yung pinakamalalim, yung native Tagalog. So, yun lang po.